Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Excel Chapter 1 Simulation Exam. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your exam by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes, and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses: MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, Writing, Economics, Java, C++, Python, nursing, and many more online courses. Please reach me out on my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. You can scan my WhatsApp and given in the first slide of this video, and you can directly come on my WhatsApp chat and we will deal for this course. I will do your art simulation training, art simulation exam, midterm exam, and final exam. Now I am going to start my Excel chapter 1 simulation exam. The question number 1 is that adjust the width of column A to 25.00. Simply we will select column A and then right click on column A, click on column width, and then we will set 25 and click on OK button. Column A width will be changed and set on 25 points. Question number next part of question number A is that adjust the height of row 1 to 30. Simply we will select row height, row 1, right click on row 1 and click on row height. We will adjust 30, click on OK button. Row height will be, width will be changed. The next question is that select and hide column B. Simply select column B, right click on this and then click on hide button. Column E will be hide, select and hide column F. Select we will column F and right click on column F and click on click on hide button. Column F will be hided. Now we will unhide column F. Right click on column F. Okay, E and F we will select this both column E and F, and then right click and then click on unhide button. Okay, the next question is question number 2 of this simulation exam. I have done first question. Question number 2 is that enter the first percent of regular formula is equal to 1 minus C 6 over D6 in cell F6 and press enter. Basically in this question we will enter the formula in cell F6. We will click on cell F6 and then we will enter this formula. Press is equal to in cell F6 and then enter formula. Okay, we will copy and paste here and then press enter. Double click the cell F6 fill handle to copy the percent of formula through cell F12. Okay, double click on column F through column F12. Okay, question is done now. The next question is that click cell A9 and delete the row. We will click cell A9 and delete the row. And right click on this, click on delete button. A9. Now insert a new row as row 9. Click on the row 9, right click on row 9 and then click on insert button. Okay. Okay, type professional in cell A9. Click on cell A9. In the formula bar, we will type professional. In the formula bar, we will type professional. In A9, in the formula bar, PROFESSIONAL, professional, press enter. Select cell A9 and then apply bold. Click on cell A9. Go to the home tab in the clipboard group. Go to the home tab in the font group. Click on font bold button. Okay, question is completed now. The next question is question number 4. Copy the sheet 1 worksheet. Simply right click on sheet 1 and then click on move or copy. And then click on create a copy checkbox. Click on OK button. Move the sheet 1 to sheet tab to insert to the right of sheet 1 sheet tab. Okay. Okay, rename the sheet 1 sheet tab as rates and press enter. We will right click on sheet 1 and click on rename button and then we will rename this sheet as rates. Rename sheet 1 tab as rates. 1 second. Okay. Enter 2024 001 in cell B6. We will click on cell B6 and then enter 2024 001 in formula bar and then press Ctrl plus. Use the fill handle to copy the value from cell B6 to the cell B7 through B12. We will use fill handle to the copy the value from B7 to B12. Okay, use fill option to change the value to series. Right click on this and then click on series. Question is completed now. The next question of this exam is question number 6. Display cell formulas. We will go to the formulas tab. In the formulas editing group, click on show formula button. Okay, hide cell formulas. We will hide cell formulas. Now we will type 435 in cell C6. Click on cell C6 and then we will type 435. Okay, then we will type 400 in cell C9. Click on cell C9. We will type in the formula bar 400. Question is completed now. The next question is that question number 7. I have done this question so well. Question number 7 is that apply the accounting number format to the range C5 to F13. We will select this range C5 to F13 and then we will go to the home tab in the number group. We will apply accounting number format. Okay, with the range C5 to C13, F13 selected, decrease the number of decimal places to 0. We will select this range, go to the home tab in the number group and click on decrease decimal button. Okay, apply person style and the change. Okay, apply person style and then change the decimal places to the G5 to G13. We will select this range G5 to G13 and then go to the home tab in the number group. We will apply person style. First, we will select this range, go to the home tab in the number group. We will apply person style. Click on the person style button. Okay, and the decimal place to 1. We will select decimal place to 1. Then we will select the range G5 to G13 and then apply align right. We will select this range again and then go to the home tab in the alignments group. We will apply align right. Increase indent one time for data in the range G5 to G13. We will select this range G5 to G13 and then go to the home tab in the number group. We will increase indent one time. Click on the increase indent button. Is where is increase indent button is done. Question is completed now. Now I am going to do next question is question number 8 of this exam. Group the rates and copy sheets. We will select rate sheet and then press Ctrl and then click on copy. Both sheet will be grouped. Then we will set the orientation of selected worksheet to landscape. Okay, go to the page layout tab. In the page setup group, click on orientation button and then select landscape orientation. Okay, set 1.5 inches top margin and select the option to horizontally center the data on the two selected sheet. Okay, we will go to the page layout tab. In the page setup group, click on margin button and then go to the custom margin. Okay, set 1.5 inches top margin. We will go to the top margin and set 1.5 inches and then select option to horizontally. Okay, with both sheets selected, change the scale to 115. We will go to the page layout tab. In the scale to fit, click on the scale box and then we will select 115%. Question is completed now. I have done 9 questions right now. Now I am going to do next question of this exam. The next question of exam is that select and copy the range. Okay, 1 second. Select and copy the range A1 to G13. We will select this. Okay, we will copy this range. Simply press Ctrl plus V. C. For copy, Ctrl plus C. Its range will be copied. And use paste option to paste the range as values and source formatting starting in cell A16. We will click on cell A16 and then simply control plus V. This range will be pasted in here, or we will go to the home tab. In the paste option, we will value and source option. We will click on the value and source option. This value will be pasted. Use the formula bar to compare the content of cell G5 and cell G20. Apply bold to the cell that contains a value instead of a formula. Okay, you can see here. Okay, use the formula bar to compare the content of cell G5 and G20. Apply bold to the cell that contain value instead of. Okay, question is completed now. Now I'm going to next question of this exam. The next question of this exam is that insert a new row 5. We will click on row 5, select row 5 and right click on row 5 and then click on insert button. Row 5 will be inserted. Okay, my connection is average. That's why it takes some time. Please follow my video and you can done your exam by watching this video. If you do not able to do this exam, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete exam and complete course for you with A plus grade. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I am available 24/7 and I will provide you A plus grade. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my first slide of this video. Insert a new row. Click on row 5, right click on this, click on insert button. Row 5 will be inserted. Select and cut the range A13 to G13. Paste the range starting in cell A5. We will select this range A13 to G13. A13 to G13. We will select this range and then we will cut this range. Select A13 to G13. Then we will go to the home tab. In the clipboard group, we will click on cut button. This range will be cut and then paste the range starting in cell A5. Click on cell A5. Right click on this, click on insert cut cells. 1 second. Okay, we will select cut and paste in cell A5. Look at A5 and undo the action of pasting range in row 5. We will click on A5 and then click on undo. Okay, select and cut the range A12 to G12. We will select this A12 to G12 and then go to the home tab. In the clipboard group, click on cut button. Okay, insert cut cell in cell A5. Click on cell A5 and then right click on this and then click on insert cut cells. Okay, question is completed now. I have done half exam right now. Now I'm going to do next question. Okay, select the range A1 to G1 and apply the S&1 cell style. We will select cell A1 to G1. We will go to the home tab. In the styles group, click on cell style button. Okay, click on cell style button in the styles group and then click on S&1 cell style. Okay, with the range A1 to G1 selected, simultaneously merge and center the title across the range. We will select A1 to G1. Okay, and then simply merge and center. With the range A1 to G1 selected, apply bold. We will go to the home tab. In the font group, click on bold button. Question is completed now. Now I am going to do next question of this exam. The next question is that question number 12. Group the rates and copy sheet. Press rate sheet and then press control and then click on copy sheet. Rates plus control and then click on copy. This both sheet will be grouped. Okay, create a header with exploring series in the left section, the sheet name code in the center and the file name code in the right section. Return to normal view if necessary. Okay, we will go to the page layout tab. In the margins button, in the custom margin, go to the header and footer, click on custom header. So create a header, click on custom header. Okay, exploring EX P-L-O-R-I-N-G-C-S-E-R-I-E-S, series at the left section, and then the sheet name code in the center, and then file name. Okay, file name right side, and then click on OK button. Header will be added. Now check the spelling in the group worksheet and correct any errors. For checking spelling, we will go to the review tab, and the in the proofing group we will click on spelling button, and then click on OK. Spelling will be checked and removed. The error. Question is completed. Now I am going to do next question. Next question is that display the worksheet in print preview. Click next to display the second worksheet in print preview, and then print the group worksheet. Okay, display the worksheet in print preview. We will go to the file in the info and click on print button. Okay, 2 of 2, and then print. Click on print button. Now question is completed. Okay, the next question is question number 14. The question number 14 is that you can see on my PC screen. Please focus on my PC screen and you can turn your exam. If you do not able to do this exam, then contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete exam for you with A plus grade with very reasonable price. Enter the value 225 in cell C12 and press enter. We will click on cell C12. Click on cell C12 and then enter value 225. Now enter the data 6 over 30 in cell C2. Click on cell C2 and then enter this data 6 over 30. Okay, the formula for 6 over 30 and then press enter. Clear the formatting in cell 2, C2. Click on cell C2. In the editing group, click on clear filter. Edit the date 6/30/24 in cell C2 and then press Ctrl plus enter. Enter the date in cell C2. Click on cell C2, enter this date 6/30/2024 and then press Ctrl plus enter. Okay, question is completed. Now you can see here I have done 15 questions of this exam. Now I am going to do next question, but I just show you 15 question in my video. If you need complete solution of this exam and if you want to do this exam from me, I will do this complete exam for you and complete course for you with A plus grade with very reasonable price. Please contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses and reach me out on my WhatsApp and email for your course deal. I will do your complete course. You will be free from this course. I can do all online courses on MyItLab, Pearson, MyEngagement, MCGrail, Simnet, Blackboards. Okay. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck to my all students. Thank you so much.